Hey, so we're doing an unboxing. How do I start this? Uh, got a package here. It's from. Okay. I cannot read this. No. What? Here. Anyways, it's from Urban Decay. Uh, so should I do a story time? Anyways, I don't think they'll see this, or if they see this, still thankful. So, um, MonstaX partnered with Urban Decay. I can't concentrate. Partnered with Urban Decay for their Naked palette makeup, and so we were so ecstatic. We were so happy. We love it so much. Like, the magazine from Beauty Plus is so good. The pictorials and stuff, they're so good. They're so, like, they're so perfect. We love it so much. And I've heard that Urban Decay is so popular. I heard because I am not really familiar with makeups, since I don't wear makeups. Yeah, so I'm not really familiar with it. No, I've seen their makeups because it's so famous, but I didn't know it's I've seen the Naked palette, but I don't have idea about the Urban Decay, that it's from Urban Decay. So, oh, I see. Like, oh, that's amazing. So we hype it up. The new, I think, I'm not really sure, but they, I think they released. I don't know if it's new, but they released versions of Naked palette in South Korea with photo cards, MonstaX photo cards, and they went sold out. I heard they went sold out, and then they were stuck again because everyone's buying the makeup. For one, because they like the makeup. Two, because of the photo cards. And I bought just the photo card. So sorry, I'm poor. And I do makeup. And then, so we hype it up and stuff. And then we made hashtag naked for MonstaX. And it's such a clickbait because everyone thought that we're gonna post some boobies and ass switches. We did not, because it's just about the Naked palette. And everyone, it trended so, like, I don't know, not so much, but it still trended, and it was fun. It was so fun. And then, like, maybe a week after, or days after, we saw another fandom posting saying that they Urban Decay um message them, private message them, directly message them, that they'll be sending, like the message was like, we have another makeup that is in collaboration with MonstaX. They mentioned it, with MonstaX. So we're giving you a gift, like, in return, can you promote it? So Yeah, that's the post. And then MONBEBE saw it, and they kinda um because I kinda understand it. They kinda felt betrayed because um I mean, we thought things were good and stuff. We don't know Urban Decay is giving away stuff, and then we would know that they would give it to another fandom. So like, uh, hello, what's with their effort and stuff? But I don't understand Urban Decay because they're like promoting. Actually, they're like promoting the they're like promoting Monster X and their product, cause and which is very understandable because why would you promote the product within the fandom where they already know it? So, but yeah, and then I think some or most members got the point of it, and then they were like, at least, at least maybe thank us stuff like that. I mean, like it's kind of offending to see some of your effort not being appreciated stuff, though the US PR team of Urban Decay, they're so sweet. Like the handlers of their SNS accounts, they're so sweet. They're so kind. Like they hype stuff so much. Like their comments are so sweet. So uh yeah, I don't think they deserve to be hated too. Like they're just doing what they're doing is just promoting the product. And I understand Banbebes too because yeah, somehow you feel betrayed because at least we received some thank yous, and I'm like, and then I got mad, and then I messaged Urban Decay on Twitter, and I was like, hey, if you're gonna use like hi Urban Decay, if you're gonna use K-pop fans, please don't just treat us shit, something like that. And then um I wanna be rude and stuff, but I don't wanna be rude, so I said uh I said we're tired of people. What did I say? Wait. Like we're tired people treating us shit or treating K-pop as shit when it's not. So like I don't know, I wasn't checking that they have read my message via Twitter. I wasn't checking it. And then suddenly, that was February 10th, 8 days after, Urban Decay messaged me. I was like, oh my gosh. So this is my message. And then there's Urban Decay. Oops, no, sorry. I don't know how to focus this. Anyways, that's Urban Decay. So they messaged me and I was like, they were like, hey, we're giving you some, thank you for the blah 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 blah. I was like, oh, is this for real? Like I've been checking. Okay, there's the verified check and stuff, and like, and then I was checking if others are getting DMs too. I couldn't find any, so I just gave in my address because why not? I mean, this is a gift, so and I'm like, so I was kind of hesitant because my message was kind of um no, not hesitant, but I kind of feel what do you feel conscious of my message, though I said sorry. Like, I said sorry if this comes out rude. Just please don't treat us shit. Thank you. I was like that. So then they messaged me, and I'm like, oh my god, what are they gonna give me? So I was excited, though I honestly don't wear makeup except for lip tint. I know lipstick, except for my lips, because I sweat so much and makeup will wear off, and not really careful with my face. Like, I wipe my face so harshly, so yeah, that's the reason why I have this face. Anyway, so that's it. Then I exchange message with them and stuff, that yeah, I don't think I deserve this and stuff, but thank you anyway. So I wasn't really expecting, and then but we keep on exchanging messages, which is why I found that the PR team of them is so patient, and yeah, yeah, they're so cool. Whoever is holding their SNS accounts, please give them a raise. Yeah, I'm serious. Please give them a raise, because they're so kind with rude people. Not saying that I'm rude, but I think that comes out rude, though I said sorry. So yeah. And then so they sent it February 25, which is 26 in my time. And today is wait, March 7. It came out yesterday, March 6. So it's here. It's kind of big. I think because naked palette is long. I love the box. It's kind of hard. It doesn't. So I'm gonna open it now. Done with the story time, storytelling. Yeah. So I was kind of shocked, because I hope they didn't. I mean, they were not forced to do it. Like, so I said to them that I'm sorry that it came to a point that like that you have to message us because of our rants, something like that. But we really enjoy and love the collaboration, and appreciate the collaboration. So I hope we understand us. And choo, 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 choo. I'm like, yeah. Hopefully they understand it. And then, so right after I was posting, I saw another MONBEBE who received it, which is, anyways, and then another on Facebook, and then another one I saw on Twitter. So like there are two of them, then me, third one. So I don't know how how was that possible, because we're from the Philippines. So I think I have seen also one who posted, or two. I wasn't checking that. I guess they're not from the Philippines, so I don't know how much they gave, how many Monbebes. And I then actually they said, yeah, because they said, please don't tell anyone. Maybe because if they said, please don't tell anyone, as we only have limited stocks, something like that, about this. So I think they have to say it, which they shouldn't, because if you're giving away stuff from influencer, I don't think they were um like they would say that, hey, blah blah blah, message me, something like that. I think they will just promote the product and stuff. So yeah, I think they'll just, I think that's what influencers do, and we are not influencers, so we don't know about those what's and do's and don'ts when someone is giving you stuff. That's why I'm having this vlog. And the last, I'm thank you. I haven't told anyone, though I have posted some snippets until the package arrived. So March 5 was my birthday, and it was in time, so much in time. And I was like, I told the staff, hey, it's gonna be my birthday soon, and it's a perfect gift, and I will never forget it. Then the staff, well, really, she's so cute. It says here, the one who sent is USPR Wendy. I don't know if Wendy is the one who's been contacting people, but whoever you are, thank you. You're so kind. So I'm gonna open it now. So from my tracker, it says it went to South Korea, which is, I'm quite sure it's only the airplane. I'm like, oh, please include Mustax photo cards. But I know it won't happen, so hey, it's here. Ah, the bubble wraps are so big. It's so cute. Wait. Eh. Oh my gosh, what is this palette? Oh my god. Wow, and then they... Wait. Show us what you got. Show us what you got. Share your beauty looks using Urban Decay. Pretty different. Oh. We hope you love these products as much as we do. If you choose to review or post about them, please state that you receive these products compliments of Urban Decay. For video content, this disclosure should be included in the audio and on screen. We also recommend including Urban Decay provided product or sample product received in any post. As a L'Oreal own brand, Urban Decay works with influencers and prospective brands. Oh, so it's okay to post it because they said to. We also recommend including hashtag Urban Decay provided product. Oh, I see. Or sample product received. Oh, I see. So it's okay to post it because it was instructed here. Like, I think they wanted to know. Well, it's nice. At least it's not a secret. Anyways, oh, oh my gosh. This looks so amazing. It looks so expensive. Beauty with an edge. Yeah. Ah. Sangin will like this. Oh, yeah. I see the gift package. I mean, whatever. The gift box given to MonstaX, and it is color purple or violet, or shades of gray, violet. And it's so nice. Yeah. And then I like this because it's so thick. We are so happy you're excited about MonstaX being UD's new South Korea ambassadors. Thought you'd enjoy creating some fun content inspired by the band. Hope you enjoy everything, and don't forget to tag Urban Decay, Naked for Oh! Oh! Naked for MonstaX. I just noticed XOUD. Because it's the hashtag Naked for MonstaX is the hashtag we use, MONBEBE used to promote UD, the collaboration of both. Oh, so they've seen it. They've seen it, and they've been commenting. Oh gosh. Yeah, we also have this eyeshadow primer potion. I really have no idea how to do makeup, so wow, the inbox design are so cool. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, oh, shit. Oh, I'm gonna have to watch some makeup tutorial. Primer. Ah, wow, they're so cute. Like, because makeup palette are for eyeshadow, so they gave eyeshadow primer potion. Amazing. Original. Wow. And then I got dun, 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 wow, it's so heavy. Urban Decay. I NAKED3. NAKED3. What is NAKED3? Who promoted NAKED3? I no, I don't think there's the palette from South Korea, so promoted in South Korea or released in South Korea. I'm gonna open. Yay. Ah, the inbox design. Ah, the box. Oh, so cool. Hey, to say it about you. Hey, can open. Looks so nice. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be my first makeup. Oh wow. Yeah. Yes. Ah, shit. Oh, I'm so sorry. Here. Oh. A the brush. The brush is of the same color. Yay. Cool. I think they're nude colors. And I think I will love this because there are, oh my gosh, how did they know? I think I like light colors. I don't want something. I think my mom will like this. So next I'm gonna do a vlog doing makeup. So I'm not sure how will I do it, but yeah. Yay! Thank you, Urban Decay. Thank you, Monstax. Who says K-pop isn't deep? Uh, uh, Thank you. I didn't know how they chose me, but thank you so much. Thank you. I'd like to thank MONBEBEs too for maybe if we didn't react to it, maybe we won't be they won't be giving us, so thank you to MonstaX too, and thank you Urban Decay. You're so nice. God bless your company for giving away stuff, and please give your SNS staff some raise because they deserve it. They have so much patience and they were so kind in the replies, which is, I know it's kind of tiring to be like positive all the time and cheer cheerful and stuff, you know. So kudos to the staff or SNS handlers of and USP PR team of Urban Decay. So bye bye, they bye 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 bye.